introduce ourselves. My name is Dani. Next.
My name is Nisa. Next.
My name is Pratama Murdiono.
Today we will explain about using a vacuum cleaner and dryer scrubber.
Fish vacuum cleaner. Step 3. Check the dust bag. Second, plug it in. Near cylinder nozzle for turn it on. Fish vacuuming.
This second part scrubber dryer. First, fill the water tank. Second, check the brush heads. Third, prepare the deck. Fourth, operating. 6, clean up closing.
That's how you use a vacuum cleaner and scrubber dryer. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you for watching.